Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Ty. I am a senior studying microbiology. My hometown is Syracuse, New York, but I haven't ever called that place home. I was just born there. My whole family lives in Ketchikan, Alaska, and I currently live in Anchorage, Alaska, which is about 800 miles north of there. So it's a big change for me. I moved here last year to explore different outdoor options and things like that and work. Um, I currently work as a medical assistant in a surgeon's office. She's a general surgeon and is also head of the wound clinic, and so we do a lot of wound care too, which is super exciting. I really like that. I'm a certified personal trainer, and I'm working on my pilot's license right now too, so I'm pretty busy. And now I'm taking 3 classes. So it's only 3, so it'll be fine. I'm taking this class to fulfill some prereqs for med school and other grad programs that I'm applying for. So I'm really excited to get that done. I plan on applying this class to just my day-to-day life, especially with different patient interactions, and hopefully it'll help my bedside manner so that I can be able to communicate the most effective way possible to each person at the stage of life they're in, because we see a variety of patients from like kiddos to elderly people, and so it's nice to be able to understand their thought processes and just kind of meet them where they're at. We are supposed to share 3 photos, and so here's my first photo. This is a photo of my boyfriend and I. He is currently running track in California right now. He sprints. He's super awesome. We've been dating for like 8 months, and we're all trying to convince him to train for the Olympics afterwards. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, and then this next photo is one of my favorite photos ever. I moved from Colorado before I got here, where I just spent the winter snowboarding and the springtime hiking and camping. And so these are my mittens, my favorite pair of mittens taken on like one of my favorite chairs. And it's just like a good summary of my entire winter, just spending it outside. And it's like one of my favorite places on earth is Breckenridge, Colorado. And then this last photo I have is a photo of this hike I went on a couple weeks ago with my friend. We hiked up, this is a glacier. It's called Portage Glacier, and we were originally going to go snowshoeing, but the snowpack is so heavy we didn't need snowshoes, and so I didn't have any like sneakers or anything like that. I either had snowshoes or sandals, and so I just wore sandals up this like couple mile hike into these ice caves, and we saw this like gorgeous scenery, and it was just beautiful, and my feet were soaked, but we had a super fun time. And yeah, it's awesome. You either have to be prepared or tough. So I just had to tough it out, but it was great. I absolutely love to spend my time outside. So yeah, hopefully whatever I choose to do in the future will revolve around that, being outside. Anyways, I'm excited to get to know each and every one of you and learn more about you guys. Thanks. Bye.